Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good. This is Kirti here and our topic for today is from class 8 chapter 2, that is microorganisms. Organisms that are so small that can only be seen through a microscope is called a microorganism. And study of microorganisms is called microbiology. We can find microorganisms in any place. It can be warmer or colder. Microorganisms can be found in hot deserts, polar regions, salt water, volcanoes, deep seas, and inside other organisms. But how do we classify all of them? So here is the classification of microorganisms or microbes. They can be classified into bacteria, algae, protozoa, fungi and viruses. First of all, we'll study about bacteria. They are mostly single-celled organisms and are without nucleus. Therefore, they can only be said as prokaryotic organisms. They can be found with 4 different shapes. That is bacilli, cocci, spirilla and vibrio. Next one is algae. Algae is a simple plant-like organism and can be unicellular or multicellular, and it have cell wall and chlorophyll. And examples of algae are diatoms. Next one is protozoa. These are unicellular organisms. They are similar to animals. These are heterotrophic in nature. These are mostly aquatic. And examples are amoeba and paramecium. Next one is fungi. That is, it is a plant-like organism but do not contain chlorophyll. It can be heterotrophic, saprophytic or parasitic in nature. And examples are yeast, mushroom, etc. Fungi can be edible and it can also be non-edible. Next we'll discuss about viruses. Viruses are smallest in all. They can only be seen through an electron microscope. It can only produce inside other living organism. When it is present outside the living organism, it can be referred to as a non-living organism. But when it is present in a living organism, it is considered as a living. So, there is a contradictory conception that whether virus is a living organism or a non-living organism. As they reproduce inside a living organism, that is why they need a host. Some examples of viruses are coronavirus, HIV, influenza, etc. Thank you. Thanks for watching.